Hello everyone, thank you for following my civil channel. Today on AutoCAD series, I'm going to talk about 2 important draw command and 4 important modification command. So let's just start with the first command, which is circle. Circle, you can either choose it from the draw panel, or you can type shortcut of it is C. You can type C for a circle. As you can see, there is a 6 way of drawing circle. Let's go one by one very fast. First, you need if you have the center and the radius. So we will pick this one. For example, the center will be here. The radius, we will give it as a 200. Second one, if you have a center and diameter. So we'll choose again the center here, and now the diameter will give it again 200. Then the next one we have for the circle, if you have 2 points. So let's draw, either we can pick any 2 points, but let's draw 2 lines. Turn on the ortho mode. So we have a vertical line. One more line here, so I can show you exactly what does it mean between 2 points. For example, I want the circle to be between these 2 points. This is the midpoint of the first one, the second one. This means between 2 points. The next one you have between 3 points. So let's draw another line here. You can do it also without the line, there is no problem, but I just want to clarify, that's why I'm drawing the lines. So now the 3 points, you pick one end point here on this line, midpoint of this line, and then this is for 3 points. Then after that we have tangent, radius, tangent of this line, and tangent of this line, and then let's give us a radius, for example 500. This tangent, radius. Then the last one we have, if you want to give it to the tangent of these 3 lines, so let's for example give a tangent of this line, give me tangent of this line and this one. So this for the circle command, all what you need for a circle command. Let's erase, make it clear our window. The next command which you have is elliptical. How to draw elliptical? Elliptical also you can choose it from the draw panel. Here is the elliptical. As you can see, there is a 3 way of drawing it: center, axis, and an elliptical arc. We will go very fast one by one. And then, or you can type the short key of EL. Short key of elliptical is EL. So let's go first with the first. Let me draw a vertical line again, just to clarify. Okay, elliptical. On the first one, you need to choose the center of the elliptical and the end point of the elliptical. Let's tell 400 from this. The second one, you have the axis end. So it means you will choose the axis endpoint. So let's again from here, the 2 axes of it. Again, let's give it 400. So you understand the difference between the first one and second one. The first one you have the center, and then the second one you have 2 axes, both sides of it. The last one, elliptical arc. If you want to draw elliptical arc, just give it the center and then the end point. Then choose the rotation of it, which rotation you need. After that, you will pick which arc you wanted, this side or that side. Let me repeat it again to clarify. See, you will choose the elliptical arc. Then you will choose the center, then the end point. Then you will choose the rotation of it. Then you will see which arc you needed. This one, 1/3, 4th, or only one side of arc. That's it. This is for elliptical. After this, let's go to our modification command. First one, we have join. Join, you use it when you have a cut or break in the line, or you have items you want to join it, or for example, I will explain it later on, when you make a block and then you explode it, you want to join it again. So let's go with the basic one. If you have a line, so see, for example, we have a line here, we'll use the break command to break it to center. As you can see, now this line is break. Now we will use the join command. Just type J, join, then choose this side of the join, both sides. Sorry, this one has been hanging. Just type J for the join, then choose this side, that side, then right click, it will join. So as I told you, if you have an item which you exploded, you can join it. Later on I will show you how to explode or do this thing. Then after that, you have the scale item. A scale, to change the scale of an object, enlarge it or reduce it or anything like that. For example, we have this thing. First of all, you can choose it again like other from modification panel. You can choose the scale, this is the one, or you can type SC. The short key of it is SC. So it will tell you select the object. You will select this object, then specify the base point. Base point, we will give it this one. Then I wanted, for example, the thing to be 2 times bigger, times 2. Now it's become 2 times bigger. Or let's do other way around. Let's undo it. Again, SC, let's make it half. Select the object, we will select the object, then specify the base point. I want to make it half, 0.5. This is for a scale. And then after that, you have the mirror. The mirror, if other way of copying it, but you will mirror it, as you know from the name. So you can pick it from modification panel, this one, or you can type the short key of MI. Then you will select an object, right click, specify. You need to specify 2 points for a mirror, so it can mirror it based on that 2 point. This is the first point. I need the second point to be here. See, as you can see, this is the mirror. Right, if I choose the second point here, it will mirror it based on that point. So the 2 point is very important where you choose it to mirror it based on your requirement. Then after you pick, it will ask you erase the source object or not. If you make yes, it will erase the source object. If you make it no, it will keep both. Let's type no, it keep both. Okay, after that we have the last one, which is the stretch. A stretch, you can have it from modification panel, the one which I'm showing you, or you can type the short key of S. Then you will select an object again. You select this thing. Then you specify the base point. You will specify the base point. You have 3 ways of doing a stretch. Either, as you can see, freehand, you can move it whatever you want, and based on what you want, you can do a stretching. Or let's undo it, type S. Or you can do it by a specific distance and a specific the angle. So for example, we want to do it with a specific distance and angle. We will give it 500 and then tab 500. Then we will give it 5. I'm sorry, this system little bit hanging. 500. Then we will type tab. Let's give it 35 degree. Let's give it 35 degree. Let me redo it again. So we'll type stretch. We will select the object. We will select the base point. Then let's give it 500. Let's turn off the ortho mode now. That's why it's hanging. Let's give it 500 and 35 degree. So 535 degree. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe. and hit the notification bell for more videos.